because this is going to be my intro. Alright, this is going to be my intro because I'm starting. Hello everyone. Face is on for the most part, right? I didn't think about this, how I was going to introduce this before. So I've been talking about this eye look for a while. This glittery pink and black look. Ever since I saw Soft Glam, one of the looks I thought of and intrigued me of doing is this rose. Is that actually called rose pink? Rose pink and black. I feel like a lot of times this year you see a lot of sequin dresses in those two colors, which is not my personal aesthetic. I cannot stand the color pink. Not just on me or in my vicinity or in my realm, even though I do like pinks on the eyes. So I don't frequent it. It's not my bus stop. Whatever. But I saw that and it reminds me of a holiday look. Not the classic colors, but still a holiday look. Okay? So today we are just going to be doing the eyes and I believe the lips, even though I don't know what those are yet. I did do my whole face. I'm going to put some translucent powder here to hopefully catch any of the black fallout, because that's what's I'm really hoping it doesn't do too much because I'm not here for it. I am taking a Morphe I lied. I'm lying. Morphe R37. This is, I always want to call it a white-haired fluffy brush, but just for the sake of what was in front of me. So I'm going to be using, I believe, all of Soft Glam. Don't quote me on it. We're not there yet. So I'm taking burnt orange first as a transition color and putting that all up in the crease and a little bit above. I'm going right into the black after that, so I just blended that out a few times. Add a little bit more color to your liking. Something that it's just not going in with black, which you could do. No rules. Okay. So I'm going in with Noir and a Morphe M320, which I've been liking for those outer edges because it's a little bit more precision. So I'm going to be putting this in the outer corner. So I'm bringing it up into the crease a little bit. I'm not going heavy-handed and packing it because we'll be going in with that light. Oh, I'm doing a halo eye. Did I say that? I think I am. So I wait until that color is almost completely gone before I bring it up over that top. So we got something like this going on. So then I take a brush. This is the Morphe MB13 specifically, but this is just a brush I would usually pack on shadow on the outer edge with. So it is flatter and that type of round. And then I will use this to blend the edges of what we laid down into that transition. So I'll blend out with this brush as much as makes sense. So it's almost, because it's a little bit more structured, it's not like a blending, it's not a fluffy blending brush, so I'll do a structured blend out. And then I will go back in with either that R37 or my Morphe MB23, just a fluffier brush, which I'll be doing soon, and blending it all out into that transition color. Okay, so is the black, blended out. Again, it's not perfect on both sides, but we're going to be cleaning it up, adding more. This is just kind of like a baseline. We are going to, I don't know why there's so many hand movements. We are going to cut the crease, do a little in the middle of that eye, where we've kind of left it blank. So take your concealer. I'm going to be taking the Catrice Liquid Camouflage because that's what I used on my under eyes today. And That's what I'm using. I'm taking the Morphe M170. And we're going to get some of that concealer. So now we're dealing with that. See it? See the difference? I guess I could just close both of them. Okay. So we have that. And then I immediately, because I just want to, go take the same brush. I'm going to spray it with Fix Plus. And then I'm going to go into Rose Pink. Okay. Alright, then this is the pink on there. It's a lot. Maybe it's a little bit more than I meant. I don't know. We're not at the end yet, and I've realized that's the only time I can judge anything. Which is very, like, theoretical life. You can't judge your life till the very end of it. I have no business being here. Okay. Back in with the black. Same tool, same technique. And I'm really just looking at trying to blend the black that I had there, like this one that is out way too freaking far. You know, fix that a little bit, clean it up, blend it together, moosh it, make it... I'm gonna stop talking. Okay. Okay, so then this is like the completed top look. You could blow it out, smoke it out, as moochy as you want. I would like to, because I was hoping that pink would come across like a lot more. I'm going to take some of Kitten Karma, if I can. I'm going to take the Stila Magnificent Metal in Kitten Karma. I keep telling myself I'm not going to. Because Kitten Karma is like a pink here. Yeah. And I'm going to put some on that same brush we put the rose pink with. Okay, it's a lot more glittery. It's not exactly how I envisioned it, but what in life is. Okay, so the top of the eyes are slightly done. I mean, they're done. Hold on. They're all done except I want a tight line with that black. And I just like to use... I like to do with shadow and a, like, I'm blanking on what this is. So this. And then just brush for under the eyes. Like, I love a blank eye, but this look is a lot, and I don't think you could just, like, blankety blanket. You could. Again, no rules, but I'm going to do under the eye for the sake of the look. So I'm going to take Rose Pink. I'm taking a Morphe M432. This is just a flat definer brush. I'm going in with Rose Pink, and I'm going to be stamping this in the middle of the under eye. So a lot of times I mimic my halos on the bottom of my eye, but I don't want to go in black in the center, even though you'll see from tight lining it's getting there. I have to clean it up. Same brush. I'm going to stamp black on the outer edge. And then I will just take like a pencil brush. This is a Morphe E18 and zhuzh that together. For inner corner, I'm going to go in with Tempera for inner corner, and I will go in that with brow bone. I'm going to do that. I'm going to put lashes on, do the rest of my face, and come back. Faux lips. So I went ahead and just added a lip because I was unsure, and I ended up using NYX. This is like an old fave. NYX lipstick. These are those lip smacking fun colors, which I never knew that's what this is called, but Talia is the same one. And this is in the shade Eden, right? Snow White. This is in the shade Snow White. I use this a lot for like holiday parties. I wore this for a work holiday party once. But it's a great deep, rich red. So I think that works with this look, so it's not a bright red. I like it. I wasn't sure what lip to pair with it. That was a little like, you could go neutral on this, but your girl's been going nude. I wanted to do a nude, but I'm glad I did this because I put it on. And I forgot how like sassy a red lip makes you. And I love red lips. So this is the completed look. I ended up using, these are those, darn it, I don't have it. those like Kiss foaming lashes. This is in Midnight. But these are like a second or third use, and I'm pretty sure they need to be laid to rest. But, so this is a holiday glam look. Great for any of your holiday parties. Any parties. I mean, this hair needs help, but I hope you enjoyed. Please comment, rate, link, subscribe, thumbs up, thumbs down, thumbs in the middle. Or, as always, please just keep watching. I'm about to go wash my face because I need to work out. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this look. Yeah, I will catch you in the next one.